Hey guys, so I'm currently in my daughter's room. As you guys know, I've been working on her room, redoing it, making it over. You can probably see behind me that this is a gray wall, which was initially pink, so I have started doing some things in here. But as far as my DIY projects and everything, I want to make sure that I take time to declutter her space and just purge a lot of things before I start trying to organize everything. So this is really just going to be a declutter and purge my daughter's bedroom video. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm speaking of as regards to, you know, what her room currently looks like now with a lot of clutter and what I'm going to be doing to it. The first thing we need to do is purge. I want to organize all of this stuff over here before I even begin to build the shelving. Last time you saw her room in the video, it was pink. I have managed to paint it gray. I'm gonna start with this corner over here. We're gonna do her desk, her DIY desk and shelving area over here. I'm still gonna use that piece, this bookshelf that you see here. I've recently purchased another one, which is the exact same closet made shelf, because that's how I'm gonna do her DIY desk. Now, like I said, we're gonna purge, we're gonna clean her room up first, because I don't want to start building and doing things in here and it's still unorganized. All that stuff over there, that has to go. I've already cleaned out her closet and got rid of all the shoes. Most of these shoes here are just gonna go to the Goodwill. I'm not gonna throw them away. We're just gonna get rid of them. And then you'll see how I'm gonna clean up all this stuff first. So the black bag are clothes that are going to be thrown away, and the white bag are the clothes that I'm going to give to the Goodwill. And then some things are just for keepsake, like my baby's first pair of walking shoes. Oh, they grow so fast. I picked up these white storage containers from the Dollar Tree. Alright guys, so I have officially decluttered her space. Not organized, just decluttered, because there's a big difference. As you see, she still has items on top of her dresser and her chest, as well as this bookcase. over here. Now you'll see me declutter and organize this space in the next video, which will be the DIY desk vanity area that I'm going to be building. And the same thing goes for this dresser. I know it still looks like a bunch of clutter, but it's actually her body care and her hair bows and trophies and all that type of stuff crammed together. So that's the purpose of the shelving that I'm going to get, so that we can kind of separate and organize all this out. And that will also be in another video. So the main purpose today was just kind of to get a clean room more so than anything. And then I can start organizing and doing all the projects that I want to do to complete this makeover. So if you guys stay tuned, there will be more phases coming soon. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.